Hey, Don Burnett's here today. We're having a look at Fu Qua.
Okay,
What is this?
I have a cousin
Yeah.
who buys seed from Europe,
Yeah.
various seed houses in Europe. One in the Ukraine, actually. And one of the seeds he brings in is called Fu Qua. It's Fu Qua
Yeah.
fruit, and the common name is bitter melon.
Nice.
It's like a cucumber.
It's a
like,
beautiful
It
thing.
is a cucurbit. It is the same family.
Yeah.
So we have, and so Donna and I are going to look up Google recipes for Fu Qua
Wasn't that
or
interesting?
bitter melon.
It's got a pretty leaf, actually.
Yeah, it
It's
is,
quite
yeah.
decorative.
It's a vine. You know,
Yeah.
it grew quickly.
It's doing pretty well.
Yeah, and I grew it from seed. So yeah,
Geez, we're getting run over here.
by the lawnmower. That's okay.
Yeah, I like it. It's something I've never seen them in. So bitter melon, is that you haven't eaten it either?
I haven't eaten it yet, but we're going to. You slice it. Some recipes you slice them in sections. Take the middle part out,
Yeah.
like the seeded part, and you put a shrimp and some sauce and stuff. I'm not a cook, so I don't know for sure.
Right.
I saw one recipe like that, and yeah.
Sounds very good.
Yeah. Anyway,
Fu Qua. Well, there you go. If anybody knows anything about Fu Qua, you might want to put it down in the comments. Fill us in on what to do with these things. Really cool looking. Have to try one, that's for sure. Thanks for tuning in.